So how to cancel a direct debit on Barclays? So cancelling a direct debit on Barclays is very easy. The first thing you'll need to do is go through to the app and then click on the bank account that you wish to cancel the direct debit for. And then once you've done that, you should be opened up to a page that looks similar to this, and you'll just want to click through to manage. And then once you've clicked through to manage, you should get scheduled payments. And then once you've clicked on scheduled payments, you should get a list of all the direct debits associated with your Barclays account. So once you've done that, you just want to select the direct debit that you wish to cancel, and then nice and simple, select cancel direct debit. And then once you've cancelled the direct debit is cancelled, and they will no longer be authorised to take payments from your bank account. But the one thing that is very important is, depending on who the direct debit is for, I would also advise contacting them saying you want to cancel, as that way it just avoids any confusion or issues later on. So as soon as you've cancelled your direct debit through the Barclays app, just make sure to contact the company the direct debit is with, and then your direct debit should be cancelled and no more payments should be taken from your account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe as it helps the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks again for watching.